Hey coders! If you've ever wanted gradient text, luckily it's not that hard to do. To get a gradient color effect on some text using CSS, the very first thing is to create a gradient. So in HTML, we just have a header text class. That's what we're styling. And then in the CSS, first thing is to create a gradient. For it, we can't just use a linear gradient on the color property. That doesn't work. So instead we apply a background property to header text, which is a linear gradient, and in this case let's go with 90 degrees. And we'll do a simple orange to green, but of course, that causes a bit of an issue. Because we don't want it as a background, we want it as our text itself. So we clip that background to the shape of the text itself, but that poses a problem. Because now we can't see it because the color of the text is getting in the way right there. So then we make the text transparent, so that we can see that linear gradient behind it taking the shape of the text. Now in a browser, we can see that gradient effect. And that is your CSS tip of the day. Awesome!